Hi geniuses and parents, it's Miss Rebecca. And so for today, we are gonna learn more about multiplication facts and the Keeping It Genius method, which Miss Rebecca has developed. And so first, I wanna just let you know that a lot of you geniuses are visual and kinesthetic learners, meaning you're hands-on learners. And I say this because if I were to tell you, genius, where is the subscribe button when you're on YouTube? Where is the button to search a video? You could do it with your eyes closed. You could just close your eyes and find out where it is, or the subscribe button. Or if I tell you, hey genius, can we play a game of Minecraft? You already know what buttons to press. Like, you can take the next step because your hands already memorized the next step and where all the different keys are on your video game controller. And so same thing, I incorporate different types of learning styles when I tutor because I think it's so important for you to remember it. And when you remember it by using your mind and body connection, then you are able to have a long-lasting memory of whatever it is that you're working on. So for example, today I'm going to be showing you an example of me tutoring Genius Madison. And so we are tutoring on multiplication facts. And so I have some steps for you families at home that want to teach your genius. And geniuses, I want you to pay careful attention to this video. And families, I want you to also watch and see how you can be empowered to do this at home with your geniuses. And let's go ahead and take a look. Okay, step one is to start off with a mini quiz. I want you, depending on whatever grade level your genius is in, ask them their multiplication facts starting from 0. So like 0 times 1, 0 times 12, 0 times 3. And if they're able to say it within 5 seconds, you can keep going to the next fact. You can go 0 times 1, 0 times 2, 0 times 3, 0 times 4, until they stop, because you'll know when they stop. They'll look like this. 4. And when they do that, you know that you need to focus on that multiplication fact. So you want to start with the zeros, then you want to go to the ones. So 0 times 1, 0 times 2, 0 times 3, 0 times 4, 0 times 5, all the way to 12. And then 1 times 1, 1 times 2, 1 times 3, all the way to 12. And then you want to go to 2 times 1, 2 times 2, 2 times 3. And then you want to see how fast they answer you, okay? And then once they stop, where they look up to the side, or they're like they kind of guess, you know that that's where you need to start testing them with their multiplication facts. So let's take a look at me quizzing Genius Madison. Okay, Genius Madison, let's go ahead and we are going to do a little quiz on your multiplication facts from zeros all the way to 3 times 8, okay? So what is 3 times 2?
6.
3 times 8?
24.
Excellent. 2 times 7?
14.
Good. 10 times 0?
0.
1 times 12?
12.
Good. 7 times 3?
21.
Good. 3 times 5?
15.
5 times 1?
5.
Yes. And 2 times 5?
10.
Good. Step 2 is to have your genius pick out 2 of their favorite toys, and this will serve as a learning tool for both visual and kinesthetic learning styles. And let's take a look at what Genius Madison chose. All right, okay, so now we're gonna make up a word problem for 3 times 9. So can you get 2 toys, any 2 toys you wanna use? So 3 times 9, what do we have? Oh my gosh, how cute. Step 3 is to create a number story together using both of their toys. What I mean by number stories is a lot of us used to refer to these as word problems, but we want to call them number stories because it is actually creating a story with numbers, and that sounds more exciting than hearing that it's a word problem. Okay, all right. And do they have names or not yet?
Yeah, this is Teacher's Pet.
Oh my gosh. Okay, How cute.
And this one's Cozy Babe.
Oh my goodness. I love the headband. She looks pretty cozy. Okay, cozy babe. All right. Okay, and then I love the plaid. Plaid's so cute. And those booties. Okay, and then the teacher's pet one. I love her bow shirt with the glasses. Oh my goodness. Okay. And then what do you want to have? Where do you want to have them be at? Do you want to have them be at school? Do you want to have them be just watching movies at home?
Maybe they're like going camping.
Ooh, okay. Going camping. Okay. All right. Okay, so Miss Rebecca's going to share her screen and let's do this. Okay. So here we go. So we got teachers, pet, and cozy babe are going. Okay, go camping. 3 times a year or 9 times a year?
Maybe 9 times a year.
9 times a year. How many times do they go camping in 3 years? So 3 times 9 equals 27. Step 4 is to write the multiplication fact down on a piece of paper. And this, for example, we did 3 times 9. So she wrote 3 times 9 on her piece of paper with pencil. Okay, all right, and then go ahead on your piece of paper, just write 3 times 9 equals 27. And then step 5 is to hold the 2 toys in your hand and close your eyes and envision the number story that you created together. And so Miss Rebecca is reading it for Genius Madison, and she's helping Miss Rebecca visualize that number story. And then at the end we get to it and I ask her, what is 3 times 9? So let's take a look. Now we are gonna close our eyes while holding Teacher's Pet and Cozy Babe. So we're gonna imagine, okay, Teacher's Pet and Cozy Babe, they are going camping 9 times a year, and what they love about camping is going in the lake, telling stories to each other, maybe making s'mores. Can you think of anything else that they love to do while they're camping?
They like to roast marshmallows.
Ooh, roast marshmallows, yum. Okay, so they're doing that, and they're camping 9 times out of the year. And how many times do they go camping in 3 years? So 3 times 9 equals?
27.
Excellent. Open your eyes. Okay, let's put them down, and now step 6 is to put the toys down. And then you're going to write the multiplication fact with your finger in the air 3 times. And let's take a look. We're going to close our eyes again and write it in the air 3 times. Okay, 3 times 9 equals 27. Ready? Go. 3 times 9 equals 27. 3 times 9 equals 27. 3 times 9 equals 27. Okay, open your eyes. All right, I'm going to stop sharing my screen. Step 7 is to quiz your genius on that multiplication fact and incorporate other multiplication facts in there. So like mix all the multiplication facts up with the one you just learned. What is 3 times 9?
27.
9 times 3.
27.
3 times 9.
27.
9 times 3.
27.
3 times 5.
15.
3 times 2.
6.
3 times 9.
27.
Woo! Good job. High five.
Yay!
And that is it, families. Good job working together. And so last thing I want to note is you want to work on 3 multiplication facts at a time, and once your genius feels confident and they know those multiplication facts, then you can move on to the next set of 3. So I hope that this video was helpful, and if you have any questions about this, please leave them down below. And as always, I greatly appreciate you. Keep it genius. Bye-bye.